Here's a small deal of potch and colour from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules and millimetres, material's been wetted. As you can see, some of it's just potch. There's other pieces with colour in it. Go in a bit closer. Basically a piece of crystal. There's another piece with crystal type material. There's this other large piece over on the side there. Nice big parcel, not very expensive for you to practice on. Some of these might have colour. You need to slice it with a thin blade, and each time look at the end and see if you've got any colour showing. There's an example there where there's potch on the outside and a bit of colour starting to happen on the inside there. Bit of honey potch. Doesn't look like it's got much colour in it, that piece. They're nice big pieces so you can hang on to them rather than have to try to dock them to get the feel for cutting. I think that's where the value in this parcel lies, is in the size of the pieces. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.